Hello everyone,
What if a tiny waterproof sensor could measure temperature with incredible accuracy in real time? Let's find out. Today in day 15 of our Sensors Challenge, we're using the DS18B20 Temperature Sensor with Arduino UNO to monitor temperature digitally.
we need an Arduino UNO board, a DS18B20 Temperature Sensor, a breadboard, some jumper wires. Now, let's move to the wiring connection. Now let's connect the DS18B20 Temperature Sensor connect the VCC pin of the sensor to the 5-volt pin of Arduino. Connect the GND pin to the ground pin of Arduino, and connect the data pin of the sensor to digital pin 2 of Arduino. Now let's upload the code. Now let's understand the program. First, the required libraries for the 1-wire and Dallas temperature sensors are included. The sensor data pin is connected to digital pin 2. Inside the setup function, serial communication starts at 9600 baud rate, and the temperature sensor is initialized. Now upload the code to the Arduino UNO. Now let's test the project. Open the serial monitor. You will see the temperature value displayed in degrees Celsius. Try touching the sensor gently, or changing the surroundings. You'll notice the temperature reading changes in real time. This is how a DS18B20 temperature sensor works with Arduino UNO for temperature measurement.